Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the characters, major characters from the novel The Lord of the Flies. Here in this novel there are many characters: Ralph, Jack, Piggy, Simon, Roger, Sam and Eric, and the Lord of the Flies. These are some characters from this novel. First of all, we discuss Ralph. Ralph is the protagonist of the novel. He is a 12-year-old English boy and he is elected leader of the group of boys Moran on the island. Ralph attempts to coordinate the boys' efforts to build a miniature civilization on the island until they can be rescued. Ralph represents human beings' civilizing instincts as opposed to the savage instinct that Jack embodies. We will see Ralph in detail. Ralph is the athletic, charismatic protagonist of Lord of the Flies, and we know that he is the elected leader of the boys at the beginning of the novel. Ralph is the primary representative of order, civilization, and productive leadership in the novel. While most of the other boys initially are concerned with playing, having fun, and avoiding work, Ralph sets about building huts and thinking of ways to maximize their chances of being rescued. For this reason, Ralph's power and influence over the other boys are secure at the beginning of the novel. However, as the group gradually succumbs to savage instincts over the course of the novel, Ralph's position declines precipitously while Jack's rises. Eventually, most of the boys except Piggy leave Ralph's group for Jack's, and Ralph is left alone to be hunted by Jack's tribe. Ralph's commitment to civilization and morality is strong, and his main wish is to be rescued and returned to the society of adults. In a sense, this strength gives Ralph a moral victory at the end of the novel. When he casts the Lord of the Flies to the ground and takes up the stake, it is impaled on defense to himself against Jack's hunters. In the earlier parts of the novel, Ralph is unable to understand why the other boys would give in to base instincts of bloodlust and barbarism. The sight of the hunters chanting and dancing is baffling and distasteful to him. And as the novel progresses, however, Ralph, like Simon, comes to understand that savagery exists within all the boys. Ralph remains determined not to let this savagery overwhelm him, and only briefly does he consider joining Jack's tribe in order to save himself. When Ralph hunts a boar for the first time, however, he experiences the exhilaration and thrill of the bloodlust and violence. When he attends Jack's feast, he is swept away by the frenzy, dances on the edge of the group, and participates in the killing of Simon. This first-hand knowledge of the evil that exists within him, as within all human beings, is tragic for Ralph, and it plunges him into listless despair for a time. But this knowledge also enables him to cast down the Lord of the Flies at the end of the novel. Ralph's story ends semi-tragically, although he is rescued and returned to civilization. When he sees the naval officer, he weeps with the burden of his new knowledge about the human capacity for evil. Now, Jack. Jack is the novel's antagonist, and opposite character to Ralph. One of the older boys stranded on the island, Jack becomes the leader of the hunters but longs for total power and becomes increasingly wild, barbaric, and cruel as the novel progresses. Jack, adept at manipulating the other boys, represents the instinct of savagery within human beings as opposed to the civilized instinct Ralph represents. Piggy. Piggy's lieutenant, a winning intellectual boy. Piggy's Inventiveness frequently leads to innovation, such as the Maxit sundial that the boys used to tell time. Piggy represents the scientific, rational side of civilization. Now, Simon. Simon is a shy, sensitive boy in the group. He is in some ways the only naturally good character on the island, behaves kindly toward the younger boys, and is willing to work for the good of their community. Moreover, because his motivation is rooted in his deep feeling of to nature, Simon is the only character whose sense of morality does not seem to have been imposed by society. Simon represents a kind of natural goodness as opposed to the unbridled evil of Jake and the imposed morality of civilization, represented by Ralph and Piggy. Now, Sam and Eric, a pair of twins closely allied with Ralph, Sam and Eric are always together, and the other boys often treat them as a single entity, calling them Sam and Eric. The easily excitable Sam and Eric are part of the group known as Biggins at the end of the novel. They fall victim to Jack's manipulation and concern. Roger, Jack's lieutenant, a sadistic, cruel older boy who brutalizes the lieutenants and eventually murders Piggy by rolling a boulder into him. The final character we have here is the Lord of the Flies, the name given to the show's head that Jack's gang impales on a stake and erects in the forest as an offering to the beast. The Lord of the Flies comes to symbolize the primordial instincts of power and cruelty that take control of Jack's tribe.